students, welcome back to my YouTube channel Loki Learning. In this video we are going to solve ICSE Mathematics Class 8 Chapter 1 Rational Numbers Exercise 1B Question 1. It is answer true or false. So we have to answer, the statements are given, we have to tell are these statements true or false. Very simple. First one, it is subtraction is commutative for rational numbers. Now basically this is based on the properties of rational numbers. Like we study different topics like integers, right, whole numbers. So in those we study what the properties for addition, subtraction, division, multiplication, so on. We study the properties, right? So in this exercise we're going to focus on addition and subtraction more, right? And also we'll be studying about the properties of addition or subtraction for rational numbers. In the previous topics also we have studied commutative property, associative property, additive inverse and closure property, right? All these things we have studied, and the same for subtraction also, and same thing will be done here also. That means the property is the same, but we are just changing the set of numbers. That is, this time it is a rational number. See how. Commutative property. What is the commutative property say? It is saying that a plus b plus c, right? Sorry, not three numbers, sorry, this is two numbers, right? So a plus b can also be written as b plus c. This is for addition, right? So of course it can be written as that, but it is saying subtraction is commutative for rational numbers. So is subtraction commutative for rational numbers? See yourself, if a, b are rational numbers, then a minus b, this is subtraction. Commutative means changing the order. Basically it means that the numbers can be added or subtracted in any order, So if I change this a minus b to b minus a, will this be the same? No, the answer will change. Okay, here you can get something else, here you can get something else. Okay, if I have 5 minus 2, so I'll get 3. If I have 2 minus 5, I reverse that, so I will get minus 3. So our answer is not the same. That is why subtraction is not commutative for this rational numbers, right? So this is what false. Then to subtract c by d from c upon d from a upon b, we add the additive inverse of a by b to c plus d. Now what is the additive inverse? First thing, additive inverse is basically for this is 0, right? 0 is the additive inverse of addition. Okay, it is this in addition. Okay, and over here see, to subtract c by a, and pause, right? So basically it's saying the additive inverse. What is this term? This is given here. So it's nothing but it is basically the opposite of the number. We will change the sign. If the number is positive, then our number will become negative. That will be called its additive inverse. And if our number is negative, it will become positive, right? So that is what will happen here. Now to subtract c by d from a by b, c a by a upon b minus c by d, right? So in order to do this, what is it saying? We add the additive inverse of a by b to c minus d, right? So additive inverse of a by b will become minus a by b. Okay, this will become minus a by b, and this will be added to what? C upon d, right? So do that. But what do you get here? Minus a by c plus c by d, sorry, so this will be c by d. Now you can see here clearly this would have been in the first case, okay, the original one, when we have to subtract c by d from a by b, but according to the steps given in the statement, this will be the correct one. But do you think it is correct? See, both of them are you can see that the order in both of them is changed, the sign has changed, right? So this is also what? False. Okay, this is false. Then 0, it is 0 is its own additive inverse. Yes, it is its own additive inverse. Okay, so basically this becomes what? True. And then the additive inverse of minus 22 by 30 is minus 21 by 30. See here, you can see the sign has changed. See, minus 21 upon 30 or minus 30 and minus 21 upon 30. You can see this thing, that minus 21 by 30 and minus 21 by 30. We cut this sign, okay, minus 21 by minus 30. So we cut the minus signs. So we get 21 by 30 this side, and this side we have minus 21 by 30. So you can see the difference. This is positive, this is negative, right? That means this is also additive inverse. Additive inverse is what? The opposite of the number. The sign is changed. So clearly you can see sign has changed here. Don't go by the two minus signs here. We cut them first, okay? So this will be also true. Then while subtracting three or more rational numbers, they can be grouped in any order. So now here we will be seeing the associative property. What is the associative property? Associative property means that the rational numbers, three or more rational numbers. Always remember, in this property we will not have two rational numbers, right? We will have three, minimum three, or it can be more than that as well. So let's say if I have A, B, C, okay, A, B and C, and this first for addition. So I add them. So what I will get? I can do it like this: A plus B plus C. Okay, this is also the same. And if I do it A plus B plus C, then also it is the same. Only thing I have changed is that I have moved the brackets, right? But if I come to subtraction, if I have A minus B minus C, so can I write this A minus B and then minus C, right? Can I write it like this? And if I do it like this, A minus B minus C, so what does it give us? That it cannot be grouped together in any order, because it can also change our final answer that we get in the end, right? So this will be also false. All right. And friends, this is all for today. If you are new to my YouTube channel, do not forget to subscribe and leave a like on this one. Till then, take good care of yourselves and